My name is Steve Christiansen. I'd like to tell you today about CompuMed, what it is and how it works. CompuMed is a medication management system that automatically dispenses a unit dose of medicine at a preset time. All the medicine a person takes for a week is loaded into this medication cassette. Very intuitive organizer, up to 4 times per day, Sunday through Saturday. Once the medicine is loaded into the cassette, a sliding lid is placed on so that the medicine is secure and won't fall out. And now, let's go ahead and program the machine and see how this works. We begin by plugging CompuMed into a wall outlet with a 9-volt transformer. It also has a battery backup which we can put in at any time, 6 C-cell batteries that make sure that if the power goes out, CompuMed will continue to function. The first thing we do is set the alarm tone and the pitch, the audio alarm. By pushing the advance key, we can find a different tone that a person can hear better than another. Then, after setting the audio alarm, we set the current alarm times. That is when a person takes medication. The screen says push set after each choice. The set is like the enter key on a computer. Set first alarm, hour, minute, 1 a.m. We'll go ahead and just make a hypothetical for 8 a.m., noon, and 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. So watch the a.m. and the p.m. Now the screen says take medication as directed. This is the default message that corresponds with that dispensing time. If we wanted a different message, we could scroll through the RX messages key and choose a message that corresponds more particularly to the medicine a person takes. The screen now says set second alarm. If done, push start. We're going to set a second alarm and we'll set it for noon. And we'll take medication as directed. Our third alarm we'll set for 4 p.m. take as directed. These alarm times, of course, could be set for any time. It doesn't have to be on the hour. It could be during the minutes too, 7:30, 8:30. Once we've programmed in the alarm times, then the screen reviews, the CompuMed reviews everything we've programmed in. The alarm times and the messages. If those are correct, we can continue. If there's some change needed, we can go back and reprogram those. So those look correct. And now the screen says push start if choice is correct. So we push the start key. And now we have the opportunity to program in the current day and current time. We'll set the current day as Monday. And the clock we will set to 7:59. Now, once we've programmed the current day and time, the dispensing belt begins to move to position itself to the correct place. This belt is a continuous loop belt. It has a series of 7 offset holes that each correspond to a day of the week. Once it gets in the correct position, it will instruct us to load the medicine cassette. Insert loaded med cassette. We slide that in. Now the screen says lock cassette, remove key. Once CompuMed is locked in and the key removed, then it's very secure and tamper-proof. We now remove the sliding lid so the medicine is actually resting on the dispensing belt. And at the pre-programmed times, the alarm will sound, reminding us to take the medication. When the cassette is physically locked in the machine, the keypad is also electronically disabled. So here's our first medicine, the 8 a.m. medicine, in the drawer. The alarm is sounding. When the drawer is returned to CompuMed, the alarm shuts off and tells us when our next medication time is. You notice the screen says the batteries are missing. That's because we haven't put in these 6 C-cell batteries. Once those are in, then they'll back up CompuMed. CompuMed's ideal for those who have complex regimens or are forgetful or who need a very secure tamper-proof machine. People that you don't want to get into or tamper with their medicine. The cassette is see-through, so there's no mystery. Although some people do like to put the sliding lid back in, that's just a patient preference. It's a means of storing the lid, but some people also enjoy seeing their medicine, knowing what's going on. CompuMed is manufactured in the United States. We're very glad to provide this product. We've been at it since 1988. Thank you.